Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to this video on my self-care routine. First things first, I love taking hot steaming baths or showers to wash off the stress and funk of the day, and of late I've been loving hanging eucalyptus over my shower head because the steam releases the essential oils in the eucalyptus, which helps with stress release, clearing up your nasal passage and clearing congestion. Creating the perfect ambience is so important to ensure a relaxed environment and to ensure you actually relax. So I love to use my humidifier, and I'll usually mix in some of my favorite essential oils depending of course on the mood I'm in, just like this, and I'll switch that on. Sometimes I'll also light a candle, and I love to use the small one here. I got it off Amazon and it smells divine. So when I'm super stressed or like super tired, I love using my meditation app, and the one that I love and use all the time is called Insight Timer, and it has really great guided meditation and like musical meditation, which I absolutely love. I'll also link down below one of my favorite music mixes on YouTube. It's got some really great like African music, and it really gets my mind into the right space. So sometimes I'll have like a glass of wine to unwind and relax, but if I'm like really tired or had a really long day, I'll brew myself a cup of ginger tea, like honey lemon ginger tea, and it's really so simple. You literally get some lemon juice, some lemon slices, roughly chop up a bit of ginger. See, I don't even peel it. Like, you can peel it if you want, but it doesn't make any difference to me. I add some honey to that just to sweeten it. Of course, if you're not the sweet type, you can absolutely skip the honey, and then I add my favorite tea. I typically will rotate between like a green tea of some sort and like maybe like rooibos tea. I try and stay away from black tea when I do this because it kind of just messes with the taste a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Fun fact though, this tea also tastes really great when it's iced, and like now when it's getting warmer, I definitely brew it iced all the time. So last but not least, I like to hang out on my couch with a book, and that's pretty much it for my self-care. I do a lot of these things because self-care is so important, and you don't have to wait for a huge self-care day. These are things that you can do 2 to 3 times a week, and you literally do not have to wait until you're burning out to look after yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you've hit the notification bell. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys next week.